Hey guys, my name is Iman, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you another example of how to work with TSAF. So again, import data and choose an Excel file. So I'm going to go with this example, which is number of accidents in US. And now I'm going to analyze this time series to build the model or forecast the future. So first of all, as you can see, there is kind of a periodic component here. But the problem is, right now, the DC component, or the average, is very large or dominant. That's why you cannot see the components, the harmonics, very obviously here. So in order to get rid of this big spike, you need to remove the average. So after removing the average, you can see there is an obvious spike here, which is corresponding to a harmonic. Now let's see. Okay, this spike is corresponding to a signal or a sinusoidal signal with a period of 12. So we can say the seasonality in this case is 12. Let's remove seasonality. Again, this season is our S element. After removing seasonality, you can see there is kind of linear trend in this signal. So we need to remove the trend. So because the trend is linear, D is 1. And after removing trend, if you look at autocorrelation, there is one element here and one significant element here. So let's take a look at partial autocorrelation. So we can say partial autocorrelation tails off gradually and autocorrelation cuts off. But we have a significant coefficient at 1 and a significant coefficient at 12. So this tells me this is like the random fluctuation remained after we remove seasonality and after we remove trend is a moving average system. So we have two lags, one at 1 and the other one at 12. So 1, 12, and we know D is 1 and seasonality is 12. Now let's build the model. And at this point, the model is built and we can forecast the future. How many samples? 24. How many iteration? For example, 50. So again, the blue one is our historical data and the rest is future, is our forecast. And again, you can save forecast and also you can save the model. That's it for this tutorial. In next tutorial, I'm going to talk about batch fit, which is basically building different models and choose the best one. Thanks for watching this tutorial.